Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this viral tulip hair tie. For this we'll need a 3 mm crochet hook. Let's start by making a magic ring. Now add 7 single crochet into this magic ring. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now pull the ring a little bit. Now make a slip stitch and your first round is done. Moving on to round 2, we'll add 2 single crochet in each of these stitches. Make 1 single crochet, then another single crochet. Repeat this step all around and we'll end up with 14 single crochet for round 2. Make a slip stitch at the end of round 2 and your round 2 is also done. Moving on to round 3, we'll add 2 single crochet in the first stitch and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Something like this. We have to follow this pattern all around and we'll end up with 21 single crochet stitches at the end of round 3rd. Now make a slip stitch and your round 3 is also done. Moving on to round 4, we'll add 1 single crochet in each of the stitches. It will lead up to 21 single crochet stitches for round 4. In total we'll be making 13 rounds and as you can see 4 of them are almost done. For rest of the 9 rounds we'll repeat the pattern of 1 single crochet all around. So we have made 2 of these. In total there are 13 rounds. Add some fiber in the tulips and we'll sew the opening of these two. So now both the tulips are done. Now let's make a leaf. For this we'll add 10 chain of green color acrylic yarn. So now 10 chains are done. We'll skip the first chain here and add 1 single crochet in the second chain. Now in the third chain we'll add half double crochet like this and make 5 double crochet in the rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet in the third stitch, another double crochet in the fourth stitch, then in the fifth, then 6th, And lastly, the seventh one. Two stitches are still left. We'll make one half double crochet and then one single crochet in the last stitch. It will look something like this. Now make one single crochet on the other side. Here we'll make one single crochet and then in the same stitch we will make one half double crochet like this. Now make 5 double crochet in each of these stitches and again 2 stitches will left. We'll make one half double crochet and then one single crochet. So our one leaf is almost done, and to add some stiffness to this leaf, we'll make one chain and then add slip stitch in the middle of this leaf. Then keep on making slip stitches from one side to the other. We'll repeat the same pattern for the second leaf. Just add 10 chain and repeat the pattern. So now our leaf is also done. Let's join all together. For this we'll make 55 chain stitches on the first tulip. Once the chain is done, we'll add it to the leaf that we have made. For this, turn it around and use the back side of this leaf. We have to add this chain from here to here and then on the other side. So it's done and you can easily pull it like this. Now let's attach the other tulip as well. Burn all the frizzy as we have used the acrylic yarn, so we can use this lighter to burn all the frizzy, but do not use it on cotton yarn. Now attach the rubber band something like this. If you like the tutorial and it was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.